Spokane Locksmith services 24/7. Locked out? Broken key? Missing key? We can help. River City Locksmith is a fully licensed, bonded, and insured locksmith located in scenic Spokane, Washington. We offer flat-rate lockout services for homes and cars as well as commercial, residential, and automotive locksmith services in and around the greater Spokane metro area. Know that when you call you are getting a registered locksmith to handle all of your install, repair, or project concerns day or night. As a registered LO locksmith, ethics and integrity are at the top of our concerns when it comes to your home or business security. Licensed, bonded, insured. We are a mobile locksmith serving the Spokane metro area 24/7. The security of your home, office, and auto is our top priority. We provide lock installation, lockout services, lock replacement and more. Regardless of the type of emergency locksmith services you need for home, auto, or office, we can help. Our professional locksmith will come to you and quickly handle any type of locking situation you may have in and around the Spokane Valley. Here at River City Lock and Key, we understand that you need a mobile locksmith service that is ready to assist you day and night. We are always prepared for any situation. Regardless of whether you are locked out of your car, home, or office, we will be on site quickly. With a flat fee policy, you'll see why we're the best locksmith in Spokane. There are many reasons why you should consider hiring us as your locksmith. For one, we have the training and experience to properly install and repair all types of locks. We also have the tools and equipment necessary to do the job right every time. In addition, we can provide you with advice on how to best secure your home or business. We can also help you if you ever find yourself locked out of your home, business, or car. Overall, we provide a trusted, valuable service that can save you time, money, and hassle. So if you need new locks installed or repaired, be sure to call River City Locksmith for a free quote. Visit the link in the description below for more information.